In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your books in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the best closing date for your business so your financials stay clean and protected from accidental changes. First, let's get into the right area of QuickBooks. From anywhere in your QuickBooks Online account, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your main settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Account and Settings. Select that option to open the main settings window for your company. Once Account and Settings is open, you'll see a list of categories along the left-hand side. These tabs control different parts of how your QuickBooks file behaves. To close your books, you'll want to go into the Advanced area, where more detailed accounting preferences are stored. Click on the tab that says Advanced. It may take a second to load, but you should now see several sections related to accounting, automation, and other advanced options. Inside the Advanced tab, find the section labeled Accounting. This is where you can control your fiscal year, accounting method, and closing preferences. On the right side of that accounting section, you'll see a small Edit icon. Click on Edit so you can make changes. Now you'll see an option called Close the Books. This is what prevents changes to transactions on or before a certain date. To turn this on, check the box next to Close the Books. Once that box is checked, you'll be able to set a closing date. Enter the date up to which you want your books locked. Many businesses choose the end of their fiscal year, such as the last day of the year, but you might also close at the end of each month after reconciling your accounts. Choose a date that matches the period you've already reviewed and finalized with your accountant or bookkeeper. After you've set the closing date and confirmed it's correct, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button in that same accounting section and click Save. Then, at the bottom of the Account and Settings window, click Done to exit the settings. Your books are now closed through the date you selected, helping keep your past financial data accurate and protected.